Stop missing out on leads. It's time to supercharge your real estate business with a high-converting landing page, all within Liondesk. Let's jump into Liondesk and get started. First, navigate to the marketing section in your dashboard and from there select landing pages. This is where the magic happens. Click the Create New button to begin building your page. You'll be thrilled with the options. Choose from pre-designed templates to save time or start from scratch for full customization. Select a template or click on blank page, depending on your goals. The intuitive editor allows for flexible page design. Customize the design by adding or removing text boxes to describe those properties. Then add amazing images or videos to catch the attention of the prospective buyers. Drag and drop components really make this easy. Next, let's add an interactive form. Easily add that to your landing page to capture leads by selecting from the list. Customize fields to gather important information. Liondesk makes building beautiful, informative forms easy. Optimize your landing page with SEO. Set a clear page title and description. Liondesk gives you the platform to control how your landing page performs in the wild and get to your sales goals. Then, select your domain and publish to make your landing page live. And you're live. Liondesk gives you all the tools to drive leads, create high-converting landing pages, and boost your real estate sales efforts today.